Tonight we are in Winterset, Iowa at Zombie Hollow. Now this isn't like the normal haunted attractions that we cover where they come out and jump scare you. This is a very immersive pumpkin walk. It is family friendly, so anybody of all ages can enjoy it. And there's about a dozen or so different worlds inside of here, and each one of them are even crazier than the last. We're gonna take you through with us. And if you are southwest of Des Moines, Iowa, make sure this place is on your list of places to visit for the Halloween season. Without further ado, let's go look at some spooky stuff.
He says, enter there. So we're at the Zombie Hollow, and this is an all ages friendly spooky trail. It's not scary. There's not gonna be jump scares in here, but it's spooky and beautiful. We've never been, and just pulling in, we were like, holy crap, look at this.
There's a sign here, so this sign's got some of the themes on it.
Okay, so we've got Zombie Gulch.
Zombie Gulch.
Zombie Gulch.
Witch Coven. Stranger Places.
Oh, does that sound kind of familiar?
We got Smuggler's Alley, Tortuga.
Tortuga.
And Carpathian Crypts.
I just see that and I'm like,
right, when do we go in there?
Over there.
He did say he made friends with Eric Lowther up at Haunted Overload.
Yeah, he did. I want to take so many pictures. He's carving the pumpkin.
He is carving it. He's got pumpkin guts on his knife.
He does. Ooh, check that out. That's a tunnel.
Oh, it is.
We're gonna eventually get in there. Oh, it's a snake. That's weird. He has a snake head.
All right.
But a normal body. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. We found his grave.
Beetlejuice.
Oh, the moon. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I see you looking at us. Yep. Oh.
We got some big guys over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna check this guy out. Oh yeah. And I do believe that they've built a lot of this stuff.
He said all the wood is ethically sourced from old buildings and different things.
I have to. Oh. That's really cool. I like how they're all different colors too. That guy in there hiding didn't make it.
Nope, he didn't make it. So awesome. I gotta get another photo. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh. Into the mouth.
Into the mouth. Oh, look.
Oh, Skilly's inside too.
Oh, you're creepy. Oh. He's been there a minute. Oh, there's something right there. Somebody thinks something's funny. What is so funny? Ooh. Okay, that's pretty creepy. Holy crap. I think we're literally in like a pumpkin town village. There's another gable over there.
Building back here.
Oh. Hi, buddy. Is he one of those ones where if you reach in there, he'll move? Yes.
Yep. You woke him up.
I did. He thinks that's funny. Oh, that one's almost like a ghost face.
Is he scary?
It did. I see you. Uh-oh. Oh.
What are you walking into now?
Well, I don't know, but this kind of looks a little sketch, really. I mean, it's pretty, but there's a... That's a real one.
Just give him a skull.
Look at that little guy. Yeah, isn't he Beastcraft?
Beastcraft, yeah.
Yeah, hi, baby. What you got there?
This one, he's got teeth.
He's got like a mummy head. Oh, okay.
Watch him. You're gonna watch him.
He's kind of a pumpkin bushman. Oh, look, he's reading the creep show.
He is reading the creep show.
That is so
there's
cool.
Another cemetery, a zombie graveyard over here.
Yes. Oh, she's talking. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a projection, right?
I think.
That's super cool.
It's a head in a crystal ball. she's talking.
It's magic. Oh. Yes, send us a message.
She's got stuff floating in there. We better leave her alone. Oh, there's the
Oh
other.
my God.
Oh. He's moving over there.
Oh.
There's witches. All kinds of witches. Stirring stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is really cool. Another thing, you can come here with your family and take as many photos with all these things as you would like. And there's lots of photo opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, look at that shot. Ah, the moon.
Oh, the moon back here.
Yes. Someone's staring at us, and I can't tell if they're real.
I can't tell either. We gotta go in that one.
We do. What's down there? Ooh.
Maybe a doghouse. It might be a warning.
I think you're right. Welcome to Hawkins. Oh. Ooh.
Might be getting into some stranger places here.
We are. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I see the grandfather clock.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Vecna's got her.
Vecna. Uh-oh. Keep
Government
off.
property.
U.S. government property. See what's over there?
Whose bikes they are?
I don't know.
They rode them here, but they didn't ride them away. Oh, it's a bicycle, and
There's a baby Demogorgon in there. Well, it's not the Demogorgon, it's a Demodog, right?
Dog, yeah.
Oh, got some letters.
Can you hear us from the upside down?
Blink 2 times if you need help. Oh, look at that. That's really cool.
Oh, that is cool.
It's like a never-ending tree.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's different. Oh, here comes the Star Wars section. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's talking.
He's talking?
I think, yeah,
Oh, he's
yeah.
moving.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool.
Look at that. That is cool. And that.
Oh.
Yes. Hello.
Welcome.
This is awesome.
Thank you. Watch out for the Wookiees.
Yeah.
Watch out for the Wookiees.
Make the noise. Oh, he's gonna make the noise.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that one stopped moving too. Wow, that's really cool. Oh, lights are coming on. Bye.
He said bye.
He said bye. That thing was moving. Don't yep.
Oh, yeah.
Don't trust it.
He's watching us.
Oh, what is that? Ooh. Oh my. Ah, it's Darth Vader. Ooh, look at his pumpkin.
That's cool.
That is cool.
He's got a Death Star pumpkin.
Beware of the dark side, you must. Oh, those are adorable. Uh-oh. Is that a banjo?
I hear banjos. Well, watch out for them.
Watch out for treemen, too.
They're up to some funny business out here.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow.
Pirates.
Wait till you see this.
Ye be warned,
Uh-huh.
it says. Oh, wow.
Oh my
That
God.
guy's talking. Oh, what's he doing up there?
That's super cool.
We must be at Tortuga.
We
Well, it
must.
takes up both sides of the road.
I know.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. They got all this water. I think he's drinking the rum.
That's where all the rum went.
Yep. We got you. We caught you.
Busted.
I heard one of them say something about me gold.
They got the treasure buried somewhere.
Yup.
Oh, they're fogging.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh. Come to me, fog. I like the fog. It feels really good. Oh, that's cool. They also said that all of the rocks were from this property. So like this big waterfall that they made, yeah, they made that out of what was already here. I could stay in the pirate section for quite some time.
Yep.
Oh, we're going under. Oh, there's the gold.
Into the hideout.
Oh, cool.
Oh, ghost pirates.
Yes. Oh, don't be
better
shoosting
watch
nobody.
Watch where you point that
Oh,
thing.
there's a giant jack. Oh. Boogie boogie down. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he talks.
And don't scare you right out of your pants.
And Oogie Boogie.
He's been eating bugs.
What I do,
He's been eating bugs.
Oh.
This is Zombie Hollow.
I'm sure you can look at that sign and know what the theming is in this area. Oh. Can we just live here? Yeah, that one got you.
Slightly. Oh, we got some ghosts over here.
Look at that one.
Oh, he's talking.
Oh, how cool. That's really cute.
You got a casket behind you.
Yes. Here lies
Fred.
good old Fred.
A great big rock fell on his head.
Yup. Sorry, Fred. Sorry.
R.I.P. Fred.
Rip. Oh my God, it's part of a castle. Or is it a mausoleum? Might be. No, that's
be
a
determined.
mausoleum.
That's the mausoleum.
Cute. Hide the ghosts.
Another cemetery.
Oh yeah. This is cool.
Even like the lighting and stuff is really good. Like things are just popping in here.
They are. Yes. It's actually very immersive. I'm pretty sure that one was scared to death.
She looks scared to death.
Yes. So this used to be a big building because if you look, there's part of it over there. Oh, it has
all
crumbled.
Dilapidated.
Yup. Ooh, there's a big dragon head. Look at them singing. Oh, even the broken one. Oh, that's cool. From the Haunted Mansion. Oh, we're in a ghost town. Oh my, we have to go in there.
Each section is like a whole new.
This is so cool. Please
Yeah,
check
go
your
in the-
guns at the door. Check your guns at the door.
Yep.
That one's still there.
Well, I'm
We're
gonna have
good.
to keep my guns on me.
Orders from the house, you see. Now, drink up. It appears that the night's
Drink
just
up.
begun.
They're playing some polka. Uh-oh.
Got the general store over there.
Yes, you can actually look in there, I believe. Yeah.
Get your fixings in
I
there.
see somebody over there. Ew.
He looks like he might not be up to no good.
Yeah, I don't know. Should you ask him? Tell him you're lost.
Hey, mister. You got directions out of here? I think he's been at the saloon a little too long.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Continuing down. Oh my. Oh, that's cool.
Some more water features.
Yeah.
I think this is that pumpkin tunnel.
Yep, it sure is, because now you can see them. That's really cool how that goes all the way around and
Very cool.
up and down, and you really don't even like.
And it's actually like on a hill, so it really is
Yeah.
Zombie Hollow.
Yeah. And they have mini donuts.
I mean, what better finish could you have than mini donuts?
Ooh, and popcorn. Oh my. We're getting donuts, right? We're getting donuts, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. Let's do it. It's okay.
Hello, you.
Hi, baby.
Hello, you. Come see me. Come see me. Yeah. You want to be on YouTube?
Yeah, you want to be on YouTube?
Well, what'd you think?